setup we gave yesterday in the Casper Crew VIP Discord New York Open. Man, oh man, would you look at that juicy long setup. Shout out to the Casper Crew, baby, making those juicy gains. And of course, we've already locked in a take profit one right here, baby, for a nice $2,000 win. You got to keep your losses small, your wins big, y'all. All right, now we're gonna see what happens here. All right, shout out to the Casper Crew. All right, we are currently coming up to the monthly open level, which is where we're getting a rejection. And this is really going to be a make it or break it. And we're going to be talking about what's happening today, guys, on election day. All right, on election day, the big move for Bitcoin. Make sure to like the stream because, as usual, if we can get 1,000 likes within the first half hour of the stream, we will absolutely be giving away 1,000 USDT. And today is the day, guys. Bitcoin coming down to the wire. Would you look at this 1 minute time frame right now? The Bitcoin price going absolutely crazy from the monthly open level. We're going to quickly take a quick look at order flow here and see what's going on. The good old 5 minute time frame. Oh my goodness! Tons of shorts. 26 million shorts opening up at the monthly open. Can you believe this? This is sensational. This is the kind of stuff we wait for, baby. Would you believe it? 26 million people shorting the monthly open. That's absolutely insane, actually. That's absolutely insane. So let's go to the monthly chart here and let's discuss what's happening. All right, check it out, guys. The monthly open right now, ByBit USD. So far, the baby monthly candle for the month of November. Bam, right here, 70,231. All right, that's the monthly open. We came right up to it just now in the last few minutes, and we see 26 million people trying to short this level. What does this mean? Honestly, this means either the bears are about to push us down like crazy, or if we hold this level, we are about to see 26 million shorts get absolutely squeezed to the upside, baby. Absolutely squeezed to the upside. Oh my goodness. Can you imagine a short squeeze as we were coming into election day? And look at this massive blue candle that we have on the chart right now. It's absolutely amazing.
Well, this is it, folks. We got a green candle like no green candle that's ever printed in the history of this country. We're pumping and we're going straight to all-time highs. It's going to be huge, and we're going to make Jason Casper great again.
All right, guys, you heard it from the orange man himself. In fact, you know what we got to do, baby? In honor of the election, we got to change the blue candles orange, baby. These are the Trump candles. We gonna dump or are we gonna Trump, baby? All right, we got our orange candles and our purple candles on the chart right here. The Trump candles pushing up to the monthly open on election day. Monthly open where we see currently right now 26 million shorts trying to short the price down. So what do we need to be aware of right now, guys? Honestly, here's what I'm thinking. Here's what I'm looking. All right, we've had this little range. We came down to the trade setup, given in advance in the Casper Crew VIP Discord. We took the trade. We hit our take profit one, locking in $2,000. Now we're going to be taking a look here to see if this resistance is going to give us resistance. If we get a move down, I'm really going to be watching the daily VWAP today. The daily VWAP right now is coming in at around 69K. 69K is going to be very important for a potential bounce. If these 26 million shorts are going to push us to the downside. We're going to take a quick look at the volume of this range here. Yeah, so look at this, guys. What a beautiful confluence we have right down here with the value area high. Whoops, took off my VWAP. We don't want to take off the VWAP. We want to take off this little dot here. We have the value area high. We have the VWAP. We have 26 million shorts. Oh my goodness, guys. This is actually crazy. I don't think I've ever seen so many aggressive shorts shorting a resistance like this. This is our monthly open right here. All right, M open. And if you're in the Casper Crew VIP Discord, then we told you to take profits at the monthly open. All right, in fact, just to show you that I'm not blowing smoke up your patootie, right before I went live, I told everybody we're at the monthly open. Great place to take profit, all right? And yesterday, we were looking at this trade setup as we were coming down to our box. It was looking great. Let everybody know it was looking great so far. All right, this was the box of interest that we were interested in. And of course, we did get a big move from that level, man. Wow, look at this, all the way up to the monthly open. All right, shout out to the Casper Crew. By the way, we have a new streamer in here. Thor is currently streaming for New York Open a few times a week. And one more thing, guys, I do have to tell you about Antarctic Exchange. Antarctic Exchange officially right now has started beta testing testnet, all right? So basically, this is really important because this is going to change forever. And there's a link in the pinned comment. This is going to change forever trading because this is a decentralized exchange where the ownership belongs to the traders. If you trade on this exchange, you get a cut of all the trading fees that the exchange makes. All right, this is a total game changer. This is an exchange made by traders for traders, decentralized, which means no KYC ever, 100% self-custody of assets. You never have to put your stuff on an exchange. You keep it on your own wallet always. Very, very low fees, deep liquidity, no slippage issues. If you sign up underneath the Casper Crew link, which is pinned right now in the chat, you will have very low fees, 0.015% market order fees and no limit order fees on this exchange. And of course, the ownership of the exchange, right? You get rewarded with the exchange token if you trade on the exchange. If you get wrecked, you actually get paid back some of your dang wrecked fees, all right? Other traders are making money on the exchange, losing money on the exchange. The fees, you get a piece of that. You put into the exchange, you get out of the exchange. You're a partial owner. It's a win-win for the exchange and for traders. Plus, there's a million different options for this exchange. You'll never need to trade on another exchange again. I'm really excited. Testnet is officially live, all right? And here's the thing. I see people in the chat saying super sketchy with the no KYC. Let me tell you, it's a decentralized exchange, guys. All right? It's decentralized. It's not a centralized exchange. There's no market makers. This has never been done before. All right, we're dealing with a liquidity pool. The actual exchange tokens, only 8% of the tokens are going to be allowed to be held by the owners of the exchange. The rest is going to be split up between all the users. All right, this is completely transparent. Everything's on chain. Every transaction is on the public ledger for everybody to see. Decentralized exchange, no secret hanky-panky, no market makers, deep liquidity pools. It's going to be absolutely amazing. And testnet is currently live. And the reason why we're talking about the testnet is because now's the time for us as the traders to test it out with fake money and then give our feedback so we can say, hey, we want this, we want that, we want this, we want that, baby, we want this, we want that, we want the trade to pump up to the next level. And of course, right now we've got the next major resistance right here at the golden pocket, the 618 Fibonacci. All right, we have to be careful as we come to the Fibonacci golden pocket. As we all know, the 618 Fibonacci is the high school crush. 6 Juanita, the girl of my dreams, the girl who I thought I was going to get married. I thought we were going to get matching Ben coin tattoos on our hands and on our neck, right? My parents warned me, Jason, don't get a neck tattoo. You'll never get a job with that neck tattoo. I don't need a job, Mom. All right, we're going to be living off our meme coin gains for the rest of our lives. But of course, she rejected me. And you can see right from the golden pocket. So we need to be careful as we are coming up to the Fibonacci golden pocket. Remember, guys, the context right now is we have 26 million shorts. 26 million shorts opened up right here. About to get squeezed, baby. We're about to squeeze the dang bears. All right. Shout out to all the Kamala Harris fans out there who are getting all super dang bearish. All right. We got our orange Trump candles. Agent Orange coming in to spray all over Kamala's face with the dang Agent Orange. Spraying all over. All right. Because look, we're about to squeeze 26 million shorts. And if we do, we're going to pump right up to the next major target here, which is going to be the Fibonacci golden pocket from the high to the low. All right. And of course, I am in the long trade, guys, but you know, I'm still in the shorts. I'm going to be totally honest. I'm still holding the short trades because we could see a push to the downside. So, of course, the short trade that we've been in for a long time, all right, we're still in it. All right, so still in the short trade, locked in about $5,000, just under 5K on the short trade here. And, of course, on the long trade, locked in about $2,000 here after, about 2K, right? About 2K here. All right, so let's see, baby, as we are getting the pump to the up. We're getting the pump to the upside, baby. All right, shout out to Zaid. He says, pump song, please. Don is a camel toe fan. Shout out to Ryan. They're gonna rig it. Shout out to HFG. It's a witch. Shout out to John B. Bears cooked. Shout out to Ducard. I hope I don't get squeezed. Shout out to Youssef El Murabet, who says, hi, man. Shout out to Duzabit, who says LFG. Shout out to Local 11. They don't need to rig it. Shout out to AI Automax, who says Trump. Shout out to Felix H, who says like the stream. Guys, we still have about 20 minutes. If everybody likes the stream now, we will giving away $1,000. Shout out to J-Boy Bullish, holding it down with the wrench. Shout out to All In, Ball In. Ha ha ha, you're a beast. Shout out to Political Cow. Whoa, not PG today. Shout out to Rocky Balboa, voted for Trump last Saturday in liberal Washington. Shout out to Roseanne Zarate. Shout out to Vitros. Scared money don't make no money, baby. Shout out to Timmy verse the New World Order. He says play the pump song, baby. Man, let's see if we play the pump song and we squeeze 26 million shorts. Oh my goodness. Can you imagine that? Shorts about to get wrecked, baby. Shorts are about to get wrecked. Okay, so we got that Fibonacci golden pocket up there. Let's see what else we got up there. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much all we got, guys, is that Fibonacci golden pocket. We had a naked daily point of control that we kind of bounced off of. Wow, would you look at this? A pretty sweet breakout and back test there. We're going to remove this now off our chart. And yeah, we reclaimed the monthly open, guys, and we're looking at 71K. We reclaimed the Fibonacci golden pocket. We're looking at 72K. And honestly, if the hype about this election continues on, we might see a pump the rumor, sell the news type event where we actually do see Bitcoin hitting a new ATH. An ATH is another word for all-time high in the crypto space, all right? So if you're new to the crypto space, welcome. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Make sure to subscribe. Click the bell for notifications, all right? Shout out to Daddy Warbuck, Pump Et, shout out to Liquidated, Win Pump Song. Shout out to Preparing for War, who says, voting today with my 18-year-old son, vote against the machine. Shout out to Steve Richards, who says, real men vote for Kamala. I'm voting for mothers, sisters, daughters, and daughters, and grandchildren. Trump is the Antichrist, you dummies. Shout out to Pegless, who says, Doge been cooking. Shout out to Funny World. All right, here we go. Shout out to Bored PC Guy. I'm not in control enough for an election so cold while it is for a few days. LOL. Yeah, okay, yeah. I mean, look. We're just here to trade the price action, trade the levels. Yeah, here to trade the price action, trade the levels. And by the way, guys, if you want to join the Casper crew, where we gave the setup in advance and told you where to take profit, you can go to jasoncaspertrading.com. jasoncaspertrading.com. All right. Here we go. Click the link to join the VIP Discord. Also, if you want to get started with Antarctic Exchange on the testnet, you can click the link in the pinned comment. Testnet, guys, highly recommend it because we get to test out a new exchange that is going to change the game. Again, you get paid for using the exchange with the exchange token. The exchange token is spread out between all users. Only 8% of the token is going to be held by the actual owners of the exchange. 100% transparency on the public ledger, and this coin is going to appreciate in value because this exchange is a decentralized exchange, no KYC ever. It's amazing the different functionalities on here. Test it out, see if you like it, all right? They're not even asking you to give your money, it's just testing it out. All right, now here we go, baby. Here we go. Bitcoin, baby, here we go. We're struggling, we got the strugs, baby. We got the strugs. Now, remember, let's talk about the context here. Longs have taken profit at the monthly open. 26 million shorts have opened up right here. All right, longs have taken profit. We saw longs opening up, a very strong move to the upside. All right, we tap into the monthly open with this big orange Trump candle. All right, then we get the purple Kamala candles. And then right now, literally, guys, within this area, there are 26 million shorts, which means if we come up here, we're going to squeeze them like orange juice, like Trump juice, baby. Look at that massive green pumping candle, probably going to hit a new all-time high.
Well, this is it, folks. We got a green candle like no green candle that's ever printed in the history of this country. We're pumping, and we're going straight to all-time highs. It's going to be huge, and we're going to make Jason Casper great again. We're pumping, and it's going to be huge. Right to the 6-1 ETA, the biggest pump in the world, and everybody knows it. China knows it, and that little guy from North Korea, whatever his name is.
Boom, baby, boom, here we go. All right, now we're going to go down to our 1-minute market cipher. I want to take a look here and see what's happening. Now let's go to our 12-minute market cipher and take a look here. Ooh, oh. Okay, so we do have no bearish div, money flow thick. Honestly, it looks like we could get another push to the upside. How's the 24-minute? No bearish div, money flow thick. How's the 1 hour? I mean, look at this, guys. I'll be honest with you. When we came down to here yesterday, it's looking beautiful. In fact, even on the 4-hour time frame, would you look at the 4 hours? This is exactly what we wanted to see yesterday. Remember when we were chilling down here yesterday? I was in that long trade. That long trade obviously has been stopped out now. All right. That long trade did get stopped out. I opened up a new. but we were long from, I think we were long from here. Yep, we were long from here yesterday. All right, that trade obviously got stopped out, guys. But then we came back down into our box with even more confirmations. And right now on the 4-hour time frame, what are we seeing? As the price made that lower low right into the box, right into the level that we gave in the Casper Crew VIP Discord in advance, baby. All right, what do we see? We see the coveted uneven butt cheek pattern, a beautiful, juicy left butt cheek full of gravy, ravioli, a skinny right butt cheek, right? The cardio bunny on the treadmill, eating very low protein, low fat diet because they don't understand that lifting weights and eating high calories is going to give you that juicy butt cheek. But look, beautiful bullish divergence is known in the medical journals as a bullish divergence. We got the good old Dolores at the diner, coming out, bringing your coffee, left butt cheek big, right butt cheek skinny as the price is coming down to key support. All right, she's got the cigarette in her hand. Hey, yo, hey, Jason, how you doing? She talks like this from smoking for so many years. She kind of talks like this with the Brooklyn accent. Hey, Jason, how you doing, hon? Let me get you some pancakes. Let me bring you out some new coffee. So we got the 4-hour bullish divergence down here. And the money flow's coming back up. All right, now you might say to yourself, Jason, but look here. We're rejecting from the monthly open. What do you have to say about that? We got 26 million shorts. What do you have to say about that? Here's what I have to say about it, all right? Here's what I have to say. Yes, guys, we could reject from here. It's the monthly open, honestly. We absolutely could reject from here. But because we have a 4-hour bullish dip, I'm going to be very, very interested in looking for a bounce from one of these fib levels here. The first major fib level is going to be the retest of 69,000. 69,000, as we've already marked out here, 69K. What is 69K? It is basically, if we take this, no, what were we looking at? We were looking at something here. We were looking at maybe this. No, what were we looking at? We just had it pulled on our chart, guys. We just had it pulled a second ago. Yeah, right here. It's the back test of the value area high of this range, right? So now that we've kind of broken out with the 4-hour butt cheeks, 69K is going to be very important. We lose 69K. We're looking down to the Fibonacci golden pocket zone around 68K. I still think, even with a pullback today, we might get something like this. We still might get something like this. I'm still looking for something like that. In fact, I'm going to go ahead right now on good old BLOFIN. By the way, link in the description if you want to trade KYC on BLOFIN. All right, shout out to Andy from Bitcoin Census, by the way. He calls it BLOFIN, and now I just can't stop calling it BLOFIN. All right, I'm definitely going to be looking to add to this trade here, you know, for another push to the upside, depending on what happens. But, remember the uneven butt cheek pattern. Even still, let's see what happens like very, very locally right now. Because, oh my goodness, guys, 26 million shorts. I cannot believe this. I cannot wait to see what's going to happen. And I have to change the orange Trump candles back to blue because I just can't take the orange color. I'm sorry. I can't take the orange color anymore. I just can't do it. I like the blue and purple. It's soothing to the soul. It's soothing to the nefesh, guys. All right? So, who we got in chat? Let's check it out. Let's check out who we got in chat real quick. First of all, shout out to Almak for Shizzle, who says, Trump-ite, let's go. Shout out to Holy Serpent, who says, pump the dump. Shout out to HFG, who says that would make the price fly. Shout out to Aloha State 78. God bless Peanut the Squirrel. Sure, yeah, God bless Peanut the Squirrel. I don't know Peanut the Squirrel, but shout out to R Pink. Yeah, R Pink. Yeah, you guys know Andy from Bitcoin Sense. He calls it BLOFIN. Shout out to Crypto Coons holding it down with the wrench. Shout out to Scotty R. Alano, who says, Max FUD from the media tonight. I think we dump, then huge pump tomorrow or the day after. Fake out open. Is this a fake out New York Open? It absolutely could be. You know how New York Open loves to give you the old 1-2 punch. All right, the old 1-2 punch. So let's see, guys. Let's see. Man, I am very curious to see what is going to happen here. I'm very, very, very curious to see how this is going to play out. As far as the price action goes here. Very curious. I have not seen something like this in a very long time, where right now we do have 26 million shorts opening up from the rejection of the monthly open. We have a lot of longs closing out. So right now, like, the bears technically are in control just based on this order flow. We do have some overbought waves here on Market Cipher B, but we have changed market structure, and we also have bullish divs on the 4 hour. So it's a very ambiguous looking kind of price action, like this picture of me back in college after I got my degree in trans non-carbon binary emission gender studies. Very ambiguous looking here. People didn't quite know what to think of me, all right? And I didn't quite know what to tell them either. And it's the same right now with the price action. People don't quite know what to think about it, and I don't even quite know what to tell people, because we got some blue, we got some purple, you know? We got some manly things, we got some feminine things going on. Like we got the handlebar mustache, but we got the lipstick and the eyeshadow. So it's very strange. Price action. 26 million shorts opening up right here. All right. Shout out to Mike L. Shout out to Jeremy Vest. Does anybody know what the chart is with the longs and the shorts? It's called Exo Charts. All right, it's called Exo Charts. It's it costs money, but you can also use something called Quantalize, which is free. How can you not know Peanut the Squirrel? Is this some kind of thing that's going around? Look it up. Vote for Peanut. Look it up, Jay. Okay, it's something that happened. Guys, I don't pay attention to nothing, all right? Jason Casper doesn't pay attention to anything, all right? I live literally under a rock. I live out here in the mountains on a farm, and I'm just out here with my good old-fashioned King James Bible, you know, not paying attention to nothing except God, my family, and the charts, all right? So if there's things happening in the news, it takes me a while before word reaches us out here, all right? It takes us a while before the news reaches us out here, all right? I ain't got time for none of that Twitter stuff, all right? If you see me on Twitter, I'm not supposed to tell you it's not me. I hired someone to do my dang Twitter. Oh, man, I shouldn't say that. Oh, Jason, what are you doing? You're giving away your secrets. Oh, all right. Shout out to everybody in the chat, man. Sometimes it's me. Sometimes it's me on Twitter, all right? Shout out to, all right, we gotta look up this Peanut thing, all right? We gotta look up this Peanut thing, okay? We're gonna take a look. Peanut the Squirrel. Peanut the Squirrel. Let's look at it. Let's see. Peanut the Squirrel. I'm looking it up, guys, here. Wait, what? There's something from The Guardian. 18 minutes ago, there was outrage when officials euthanized Peanut as a possible rabies risk, but he's just the latest emotional support animal to meet a grizzly. Okay. A famous internet critter who became the latest entry into the niche but expanding quiz category. Blah, 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 blah. Guys, I'm too stupid. What the heck? Who's Peanut the Squirrel, man? All right, I don't have the patience for this. All right, we have 26 million shorts opening up here. We're talking about Peanut the Squirrel. All right, let's check out the good old SPX here. Let's check out the S&P 500, which is absolutely pumping like a wild lady, running through the wilderness in distress with a laundry basket on her head, looking like Janet Yellen. I think the ES here is probably also going to lead the way for Bitcoin. Man, obviously people are getting excited for a Trump victory because, man, people are bullish on the stock market. Look at this. Within the last hour, we've seen a massive pump. This could be a buy the rumor, sell the news event. Like, here's the thing. Obviously, if Trump wins and it's bullish, we can expect a pullback. We can expect a pullback shortly after. You know, but look at this, man. This is crazy. This is crazy. Within the past 2 hours so far, actually hour and a half, we've seen an almost 1% move up on the stock market. That's pretty intense for about an hour of price action. That usually doesn't happen. So maybe that can help us carry Bitcoin up. And again, Bitcoin right now, this monthly open, 26 million shorts. Let's watch and wait and see how this is going to happen. Look at this guy. We are coming right now, I would say this, to a very key support resistance flip here on Bitcoin. If we lose 69,450, yeah, there's a good chance that that we come down quite a bit lower to test 69K, which is our next area of support. So, you know, once we lose this level, we're coming back down to 69K. But right now, we're actually getting a little bit of a bounce from the level. Let's go to the 1 minute time frame. All right, look at this. Wow, we are trying to hold that as support. Right now, we are trying to hold that as support. So 69,450, we are trying to hold this as support. And again, given the fact that we have 26 million shorts opening up, most of them actually opening up here within the prices of 69.7 and 69.8. So 69.7, 69.8. We come above 69.8, and yeah, we could squeeze, man. So we come above this level here, and we could see those 26 million shorts absolutely destroyed. Absolutely destroyed. Let's go down to market Cipher B on our low time frames for the Bitcoin and see what's happening here. We'll go to the 1 minute. All right, so we're forming a trigger wave here. Watch, 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 watch. Because if we come down a little bit more, right, we've got our 382. Let's say we start to form, again, the coveted uneven butt cheek pattern on the 1 minute time frame market Cipher B as we come down. We're going to take that. We're going to post it onto the chart. Bam! All right, we're going to stretch it out. All right, that could be the level, but this is our first major support where we really it is kind of hold or die here, guys. It is hold or die right now. In fact, I am gonna 69.4. I'm gonna put a partial profit loss there. All right, 69,400, and we're gonna take out another 1,000 smackerels. Another 1,000 smackerels if we lose that there, so that we can lock in a good old 3,000 smackerels on the trade. All right, 3,000 smackerels on the trade, and yeah, that's what we'll do, man. That's what we'll do, baby. So let's see, hold or die. Another 3,000 smackerels on the trade. Who else we got in chat? Shout out to Key Glay. Can we short Dogecoin? I don't know. Where's the stop loss? There is no stop loss. Shout out to Long All in MM Crypto. Shout out to R Pink who says squeeze. Shout out to Panelist Honest Opinions. That treatment of Peanut was just bloodthirsty. What happened? He was euthanized because of fear of rabies or something? Something like that, guys. What happened? All right, you know, they're euthanizing lots of animals around these days. You know, they're coming to your farm to try and kill your chickens. All right, because they're scared of the bird flu. You know? So, Dodge is pumping. All right, guys, we got 3 minutes. If everyone likes the stream in the next 3 minutes, we will do a giveaway. And it looks like we just hit that take profit. Well, that stop loss. So now we've locked in $3,000 on the trade guaranteed. And we are coming back down. We're going to hit our next level of $69,000, which is also the 382 here. We have 26 million shorts right now in control. 26 million shorts in control right now as we are coming back down to our next support, which is going to be this area right here. Oh man, we're drip dropping, drippity drip the drop drippy, drip drop drippity droop bop boop boop ba ba. All right, let's see here. All right, so here we go. You know, I did a thing here, guys. I just added to my short trade, the one I opened this short trade live, actually, on YouTube. I opened this short trade live from up here, from 72.3. I've just added to it here. So now we got $300,000 on this short trade. And let's go ahead and take some profits on this at 69.3. 69.290. Let's see if we can't get out some of that right there. All right, let's see here. Oh, it's already been filled. All right, we just hit a take profit, guys, on the short, locking in another $2,000 on the day. So right now on the day, we're up 5K. 5K a day keeps the doctor away, baby. And we're long and we're short, and we got the glasses on, we got the plungers out, baby. We're locking in those juicy gains. All right, here we go. Bitcoin dumping, drumping. And we're going to be looking down to our next supports, all right? Where's our next support coming in? It's going to be 69K, give or take. The 382 Fibonacci, the back test of this support resistance flip right here. All right, let's get it on our chart. The back test of this level right here is going to be our next target. This is going to be the next hold or die. All right, it's going to be the next hold or die. You know, maybe it's a bad idea to open up this short trade in case now my short gets stopped out. I was thinking to myself, if Kamala wins, you know, I was in some pretty juicy shorts from the top, but now I just added to it for the sake of YouTube sensationalism, plus for the sake of making $2,000, which, hey, can't go wrong with 2K, baby. All right, now that's going to be our next level. All right, we're going to go to our 1 hour time frame. We're going to go ahead and pull our fib from low to high into the sky. All right, now if you're following the channel, you'd also be in this short trade because we took it live. I mean, I literally took it live last week, whatever day that was when we were up here. I opened up the short on the 31st of October, y'all. You remember that? So you could have followed me into it, but it's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm only a demo trader. This is all demo trading only. You know, the purpose of life is to avoid all risks at all costs. And of course, who would want to risk money? Very scary business. You don't ever want to risk money. All right. You want to play it safe. All right. Go to school, go to college, go into debt for your degree, and then work off your debt with your job that sucks and pays you too little. And then get into more debt, buying a house. Now you're almost $500,000 in debt. You got to work as a slave until you're in your 70s now and Social Security's gone. Play it safe, guys. Okay. You definitely don't want to risk it in the markets. All right. Very risky. Being safe is all it's about. Is there a risk you might get sick? Stay in your house, close your business, cover your face, cover your eyes, cover your nose, cover your butthole. You don't want any of those mysterious invisible enemies getting in there. You know what I'm saying? The bird flu, watch out, baby, kill your chickens. Don't want to have eggs every single day. No, rather pay $12, $15 a dozen. Play it safe, baby. Here we go, we're coming down to support. $69,000. All right, here we go. Here we go. Oh, dang it, guys. We didn't get enough likes in time. We're so close. All right, you know what? Because we didn't get enough likes in time, we'll do a $500 giveaway. We'll do a $500 giveaway because we got 1,000 likes, but we're like 2 minutes too late, so we'll do a $500 giveaway. We'll do a $500 giveaway. All right, 500. Here we go. We're coming down to support. Green line support. This is our box of support. We lose this box, and we're dumping, baby. All right. We lose this box, and we're dumping down to the golden pocket. All right, so let's keep our eyes open. Let's keep our eyes open. My trades cancel each other out right now. No, they don't. No, they don't. I'm guaranteed to make $5,000, right? Guaranteed to make it. If this short trade gets stopped out, I lose $250, all right? So that means a guaranteed $2,000 profit. If my long trade gets stopped out, I made $3,000. So worst case scenario, I make $5,000. They don't cancel each other out. I've already realized the profit. Stop loss now at or around entry to negate loss, right? That's the beauty of a schlong, baby. This long trade I'm in from all the way down here, $25,000 in profit. Worst case scenario, $25K. I mean, man, can you imagine where the worst case scenario, you make it $25,000? That's the thing. They don't cancel each other out. They only cancel each other out if you're long and short at the same time, or if you don't take profit. All right, there's two parts of trading: clicking the button and taking the profit. You got to click the B and take the P. All right, when you're driving on your T, which is a Kubota tractor, you rent it. You rent it, all right, because your tractor doesn't have a backhoe on it. You know what I'm saying? When we're chilling out with the uneven butt cheeks, 6 Juanita, the 786, her older sister. Right? Hopefully we don't get any butt cheek blowouts. Let's see. Now we're getting a bounce. Man, we didn't hit our level, but that's okay. That's okay. Maybe we pump now. Maybe we pump. I don't know. Who cares? That's the thing. That's another thing about schlong and long and short at the same time. Who cares now? We're in the money now, baby. All right. We're in the money now, baby. All right. Yeah, we'll do a $500 giveaway, guys. We'll do a $500 giveaway. Shout out to y'all. God bless you all. In Jesus' name, may the Lord bless you and protect all of you watching and listening in Jesus' name. Let's see. Shout out to Chris Weimer, or Wimmer. He's brushing his teeth in a nice shirt. Be careful, you don't want to drip toothpaste on your nice shirt, all right? You'll have to change it or go out in public with the stain on your shirt, and then your wife is like, well, why are you going out with toothpaste on your shirt? And you're like, because I don't care. She's like, well, I care, all right? Because your wife cares about appearances, all right? You don't care. Shout out to Dat Tien. Shout out to Wizard Nuke. Shout out to Little Fox. In the dang house. All right. Who else we got? Ronell. Shout out to Ronell. Shout out to Dave Digital. Did we get the likes? We almost did. So we're gonna do a $500 giveaway, Dave Digital. We're gonna do a $500 giveaway because we didn't quite get it, but you know, I still want to do a giveaway. All right, Mr. Fizz says Trump to win. Guile says 2. All right, Tweakin' Finn says 6. All right, guys, don't spam the chat yet. We're not doing the giveaway yet. All right, we're not doing the giveaway yet. But you know, okay. So just a little context. Back to the charts here. Back to the charts. All right, let's see here. We're gonna pop back over to our BLOFIN trade, the trade we gave in the Casper Crew VIP Discord yesterday in advance over on BLOFIN, Casper Crew VIP Discord at jasoncasperdtrading.com. Click the link to join the best trading community in the world. All right. And yeah, so the deal right now, guys, is we have 26 million shorts opened up right here in this candle, meaning if we come above 69.8, we are about to squeeze to death. 29 million shorts. All right, we're about to see the Bitcoin price pump like a wild lady. If that happens, we are about to see the Bitcoin price pump like a wild lady. In fact, I think we could even come above the Fibonacci golden pocket. We're going to come to the 786. We're going to move this profit to the 786. All right, because our next major zone is going to be $72,200 if we hold above the yellow line on our chart at 69.8. All right, we're waiting for the Bitcoin price to do something. Come on, make your move. What's the market maker's going to do? Retail traders building his shorts. Meanwhile, the market maker's building his longs, looking to recover the vector candles to the upside, to the 15-minute EMA, and to the Brinks box. Happy days. What's the market maker going to do? Got to get out our monocles. Let's talk like this, because obviously we know more what we're talking about when we use this accent. Makes us sound well-studied, well-read. We've read lots of books at Oxford. Where's Oxford? I don't know, but it sounds intelligent. And I've got the monocle, and of course I'm smoking the pipe full of hopium. As we're pumping up to the upside, we got the UK accent. What's the market maker gonna do? All right, we've got to embody Tino from Traders Reality right now. Shout out to Tino, by the way, my man, what is going on? All right, what's the market maker gonna do? He's gonna dump, he's gonna pump. Looks like we might pump, looks like we might squeeze the shorts. Again, we come above the level of 69,800. And we're going to squeeze to the new all-time high. Here we go. Oh my goodness, we're pumping. We got a massive blue candle on the chart.
Well, this is it, folks. We got a green candle like no green candle that's ever printed in the history of this country. We're pumping and we're going straight to all-time highs. It's going to be huge. And we're going to make Jason Casper. We're pumping and it's going to be huge. Right to the 6-1 ETA, the biggest pump in the world, and everybody knows it. China knows it, and that little guy from North Korea, whatever his name is.
All right, here we go, baby. Here we go. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. Can we do it? Can we do it? Can we do it? Oh, man. Show pirate mode, Jason. All right, if we do the pump song, we'll have to do the pirate mode, Jason. All right. Shout out to Utter Disregard. The Vector Candles. Are you more... all right. Shout out to Trevor Lifer 333. Eat them shorts. Yeah, let's see if we eat them shorts. All right. Let's see if we eat them shorts. Can we do a pump song? Well, we don't have longs coming in. We don't have bullish. Actually, it's tough, man. It's tough. Can we do a pump song? Yeah, we might be able to do a pump song. We technically do have a little bullish CVD here. I think we can do a pump song, all right? Army mateys, we will do the pump song. And let's see if it works, all right? Let's see if the pump song works. All right, it's guaranteed to work, but sometimes it has a delayed effect. Could even last until after the election. All right, could even take until after the election, or even next year, before it works. All right. Army mateys, the pump song. I'll pump the Bitcoin price. Hang on, we've got to get on our pirate hats. Army mateys, me hearties, we are going to pump the Bitcoin price today by singing the pump song. Are we gonna dump? No, we're gonna trump, baby. Here we go. Let's trump. Here we go. Yeah. Here we go. We're pumping, baby. Me mateys! We're going to pump the Bitcoin! Here we go! We're gonna dump, no we're gonna trump! We're gonna dump, no we're gonna trump! We're gonna dump, no we're gonna trump! Trump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go! We're gonna dump, yeah we're gonna trump! We're gonna dump, yeah we're gonna trump! We're gonna dump, yeah we're gonna trump! Trump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go! Yeah! Alright! Let's pump! We're pumping it, baby! We got the blue candles on the 5-minute hour, me mateys! Where's the stop loss? There is no stop loss! Alright. Shout out to the super chat, Dave Augustine. This is my favorite time of day where we pump! We're gonna pump, yeah we're gonna jump. We're gonna jump, yeah we're gonna pump. We're gonna jump, no we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna jump, yeah we're gonna pump. We're gonna jump, yeah we're gonna pump. We're gonna jump, yeah we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. Alright. This is it. Down to the wire, me mateys. Arg! Arg, me mateys! We don't want to look, we'll look with one eye! We'll keep the eye patch on the other! In case we dump, we don't want to see! We'll cover our face with a blue hat. Bullish hat, baby! Starting to get a little bit of a pump. I can't believe my eyes! Arg, I can't believe my eyes, me mateys! Here we go! Look, it's working, baby. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna dump, yeah we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, yeah we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, yeah we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. Yeah. Yeah, we're pumping Bitcoin! Yeah, we're pumping Bitcoin! Yeah, we're gonna dump! Yeah, we're gonna pump! Yeah, we're gonna dump! Yeah, we're gonna pump right now! Alright, what's the market maker gonna do? The retail trader's building his shorts. Meanwhile, the market maker's building his longs. We're coming up to the 15 EMA on the Brinks box. Happy days! Yes, indeed, ladies and gentlemen. Yo, ladies and gentlemen. We're here to bring the fire today as the Bitcoin price. Arg, me mateys. Sometimes you go and turn into a British pirate. I'm a pirate from the UK. Alright. Yes, indeed, my mateys. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, me mateys. We've got the pirate hats on today. We're smoking our opium pipes. We're about to pump the Bitcoin price to a new all-time high as Trump is about to win the election. Alright? Kamala Harris is about to lose the election, baby. Alright, shout out to, do a poll, Trump versus Kamala. Alright, we'll do a poll, Trump versus Kamala. Let's take a poll, Trump versus Kamala. Alright, so 60% say we hit a new all-time high. That's amazing. I'm gonna run with it, baby. We're gonna take a new poll right now. Trump or Kamala. Okay, here's what I want you to do. I want you to tell me who do you think is going to win. Not who do you want to win. Trump or K will win. I don't know how to spell Kamala, so I'm just gonna call her K. Trump or K. Alright. What's funny is in the Casper house, if you call somebody a K, it means you're calling them male genitalia. All right, it's a long story, but in my house growing up, if I called my brother a K, it means he was being a jerk, but a more vulgar term that you would use. That guy's such a jerk, you know. But I don't really think she's a K. You know what I'm saying? I don't think she's a K. All right. Why are the choices yes or no? Because I forgot to make them the right choices. So hang on. Let's make a new poll here. Let's make a new poll. All right, let's close it out. All right. Well, Trump or K? Trump or K? Trump or K? Trump. And then Kamala. There we go. Trump or Kamala. Trump or Kamala, baby. Yeah, it's a rigged poll. There are no right choices. I mean, it's just like any election, right? Yeah, shout out to Splashfire Films. The poll was more confused than Joe Biden. Shout out to Jay Schlongen. All right. All right. Okay, so Bitcoin is unable to hold above that level. Those shorts are defending their positions right now. Come on, baby. Look, we sang the pump song and we did our job. Like, look, we did our part here in the Casper crew. We really did our part to try and pump that Bitcoin price up, right? We did our part, but now, let's see. Let's see. Let's see what happens. All right, so shout out to Dread Mining. I think Trump messed up a bit with the ladies. I think they'll swing vote. Trump is American democracy. Michael Harris. Jay, we broke through the monthly VWAP when we did that the last 3 months. Each time we pumped over 10K. Let's do it. Shout out to Big Butts 28 for president. I feel like we did something too, you know? Can we get a Goodbye Joe freestyle? Let's see what we got.
Crystal made that hit,
Yeah,
boy.
we got Trump versus Kamala. I was smiling, but now I'm gonna scowl ya. Cause you know that I want Trump to win. Trading all that Bitcoin, where do I begin? We got the blue candles pumping, better turn them orange. I'm so dang hungry, about to eat some porridge. Look through the front door and here comes George, my best friend from high school, knocking on the door hinge. He said, yo Jay, election today, what we gonna do? Hope you're not feeling gay, cause if you are, don't you know you're about to vote for Kamala? All the bulls in the house, let me hear you howl. I got the Trump candles orange, pumping straight up. Got the Bitcoin about to flow right into my cup. Then we're coming back down till enough's enough. 26 million longs about to get snuffed. But now shout out to my man Creepy Joe. He's the president now, don't you know? Maybe he's been dead since 2019. Deep fake every time you see him on TV. Or maybe he's a body double just here to cause trouble. Going up the stairs, falling down, double. Yeah, getting onto the airplane. Joe Biden president, always in pain. Pooping his pants when he's in the public. Goes to the ice cream shop to lick on the cone with his good friend from home. His name was Corn Pop, was a bad guy right up in the dome. Here we go, Jake Casper about to spit the lyrics. The Bitcoin price making me feel Felix. My man Felix in the house looking like a nice guy. Every day we know Trump, the Bitcoin price gonna fly. Here we go with the little purple candle. Don't you know the Bitcoin might dump? Can we get a handle back to 69K? And that's what we say. Hopefully the Bitcoin price don't turn out so gay like the Democratic Party with the trans non-carbon binary emission gender studies looking farting. Got the picture over here from myself back in college. Jason Casper looking like he don't got no knowledge. But don't you know the price is looking muddy, just like trans non-carbon binary emission gender studies over here. Got the handle bear mustache on the face. Jason Casper looking like such a disgrace. But after college, you know, all I knew about was intersectionality. And how about now? I came to the charts where I look for the confluence. The Bitcoin price about to go like a confluence. talking about the influencers, the crypto YouTubers. Now haven't you heard, they're only here to show the exchange. They don't even trade, they don't even make change. They're only here trading on their demo accounts every day. Then they want you to trade and get paid, and then they're trying to sell their courses because they cannot trade. Of course, sis, don't you know we're just here faking it. Life's about avoiding risk. Hopefully the Bitcoin price goes into another disc. Talking about the disc, that's the earth. If you know what I'm talking about, shout out, you heard. Now we're getting a nice little bottom coming down to the VWAP. Can you even spot him in the 382 with my nice new shoes? Got the color blue between me and you. And if we come down to the VWAP 382, take a look at market Cipher B. What she gonna do, baby? She'll get some butt cheeks coming out on fleek. Juicy on the left, then the right is so skinny, let's peek. Then we go ahead, take a screenshot. The Bitcoin price smells like snot when I'm blowing my nose on my fingers and my toes. Got the uneven butt cheeks, look out below. All right. That's as good as I got, all right? For the freestyle, all right? Shout out to Zana who says, dude, you're too dumb. Dude, you're too dumb. You're too dumb. I'm so dumb. Yeah, Jason Casper's so dumb.
Crystal made that hit.
Yeah, yo, Jason Casper's so dumb. That's why he's out here stuck in his thumb. I said, Jason Casper's so dumb. That's why he's out here stuck in his thumb. Yo, haven't you heard Jason Casper's so dumb? Haven't you heard that's why he's always sucking his thumb? Then I went to the store. I bought some chewing gum for my bad breath, looking like I wanna have. Gonna give my bad breath into your face. Jason Casper on the treadmill, such a trading disgrace. Wearing his googly eye glasses on the face when he's looking at the charts just to take the next trade. We came back down to the uneven butt cheeks. We stretched them out hard. Now let me take a peek. Dolores at the diner, coming in on fleek, smoking cigarettes, looking like she's turning green. Don't you know nicotine makes you sick? If you smoke too much, you better learn real quick. You smoked a cigar, but it was too strong for you. Next thing you do, you gotta go poo in the toilet bowl. Better eat an orange. The Bitcoin price looking like my friend George. Trump also orange, like he knows he wants porridge. And I turn around, who's coming through the door? And Kamala, get out of here, my girl. You better get out of the whole entire world, because nobody wants you to be the president. The Bitcoin price like the toothpaste Trident. When you're brushing your teeth every day and every night. The bulls and the bears, and they're always in a fight. Got the blue and the purple coming on my chart. Nerdy like Steve Urkel, and a beautiful work of art. That don't you know that the candle's turning purple? Got Jason Casper rapping on the treadmill in circles. And don't you know I drank soda, got a burp, yo. I get it out, then we're running to the turbo. Yeah, the turbo means another word for profits. The Bitcoin's about to pump, don't know if you can spot it. But if we squeeze 6 million shorts, don't you know all the bears about to get hurt? And don't you know then we're squeezing back up to the 618. My girlfriend in high school, it wasn't looking great. I asked her out on a pizza date. She said, I'm gluten-free and vegan, you better wait. And that's out my sister, so I asked her out. But she was looking like a guy in and out. I said, 786, yeah, you got a beard? She said, yes, Jason. I said, that's a little bit weird. So I figured I will never find love. The Bitcoin price like the hand in the glove. We're looking to the all-time high to find some love. Then we turn around and we're getting the purple smug. Uh-oh, I hope we don't start to dump. We just sang the pump song, I was hoping we'd pump. If we come down to the VWAP, you spot it, we might get a bounce. From the golden pocket, talking about the local fib. If we pull it from here to the high, would you look at that? Oh my dear, we got the 786 coming in with the flicks. As the Bitcoin price is back to her old tricks. Don't you know we gave the setup? I'm BLOFIN on the dance. In the Casper crew, where we trade without pants. Cause if you wear the pants on the treadmill, don't you know the thighs get chafed and it's not a pill. It's no fun when your thighs got the heat rash. Bitcoin about to break out and then she'll blast. Locking in the profits, 5,000 today. And that's what you do to keep the 9 to 5 away. Ay, ay. All right. Shout out to Divine Hood. He says, it boggles my mind that people actually vote for and support the big machine. I feel you, Divine Hood. I don't know how that's possible, right? Did we do the giveaway yet? Not yet. We're gonna do it. Don't worry. All right. We're gonna give it away. We're gonna shout out to like demo trading and amphetamine and trenbolone. Yeah. Oh man. All right. Yeah. Let's do a giveaway, guys. All right. God bless you all. God bless you all. Look, I have no ill feelings toward anybody. Not toward Kamala. Not toward Joe Biden. Not toward Trump. This is all for fun. All right. Seriously. I don't have any ill feelings toward anybody. I love everybody, and I pray that all presidential candidates and politicians will come to the Lord Jesus for remission of sins and eternal life, to become a new creation. That's my prayer for every single person in the world, right? Because I am nothing in my life. I deserve nothing. I am nothing. I'm a sinful human being, and if not for the Lord Jesus, who saved me, who caused me to be born again, filled with this Holy Spirit, I would be absolutely nothing, and without him I am nothing. All right, and I'm so thankful to everything he's given me, for everything he's blessed me with. I'm just overwhelmed with it, with the Lord, his goodness and his mercy and his favor that he extends to everybody. Right? So let's do a giveaway. What we're gonna do, guys, is we are going to. Let me just see if we have any super chats in the house, because I think we have some super chats. How do I feel about the monthly green down market cipher? Well, call sign Arix. What makes me very nervous, bro, is what Trader Geo brought up yesterday, which is the fact that the CME took the CME took the high. So CME has a very bearish divergence now in the monthly. This is a little bit scary. I don't know what to think about it right now. I think we need to wait for this election to be over and figure out what Bitcoin wants to do. So here's what we're going to do, guys. I need you to get your USDT address. It has to be now your USDT address. All right, your USDT address, and post it in the chat. USDT address, post it in the chat. What I'm going to do is I'm going to count down from 10 and take a screenshot. So you can't spam the chat with random stuff. You have to spam it with your USDT address. All right, USDT addresses only. USDT addresses only. And then I'm going to count down from 10 and take a screenshot, and whoever is selected wins. Okay, so USDT addresses. We're going to count down from 10. And whoever selected wins, all right? Good, now we got the addresses coming in. Let's give it a little more time for people to get their addresses, because here we go. We got the addresses. USDT addresses. All right, you guys ready? Here we go. We're going to count down from 10, and then whoever screenshotted wins, all right? Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All right. Shout out to my man. We have ourselves a winner. Shogun Crypto. Shogun Crypto is our winner. Congratulations, Shogun Crypto. I've already got your address, my man, and I'm going to send it to you before any scammer can possibly scam you. So Shogun Crypto, congratulations, bro. I'm about to send you a $500. I'm about to send you 500 smackaronis. Shout out to Shogun Crypto for winning $500. And shout out to J-Boy Bullish. I just got your text, bro. All right, let's give it away. 500 smackaronis. All right, we just sent 500 smackaronis. All right, shout out to our winner, Shogun Crypto. Congratulations, bro. Congratulations. All right, here we go, baby. We're starting to get a little bit of a pump. It looks like the pump song worked. All right, we got our trades open here. Shout out to everybody in chat. Make sure to like the stream. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. All right. You see all my codes? What codes are we talking about? You saw the, what'd you see? Hang on one second. What the heck did we just see? Have I got my new tractor yet? No, I haven't got a new tractor yet. All right. I haven't got a new tractor yet. It is funny, Scotty. It's a very strange world we live in, you know, just in general, like on all sides, but never mind. Never mind. I have nothing to say. All right, they're just trolling. All right, good. Because I don't know what the heck they're talking about. Because I was just having a conversation with somebody about codes. About coupon codes. And I'm like, wait a second. All right. Okay, so here we go. Let's check out the order flow. Let's come back over to our long trade here. Let's come back over to our long trade over here. And we are, again, we come above the yellow line here at 69.8. We're going to squeeze 26 million shorts. 26 million. What's my strategy for choosing margin amount for my position size as well as leverage? My strategy is, I don't really have a strategy. As long as my stop loss it comes before liquidation, I don't really care. I just go based on position size and stop loss. All right. What's the biggest win I had in a single trade? I think like 70K. I think like 70K back in early 2024. That's my biggest trade ever. Bitcoin hits 100K. Am I going to buy a new tractor? Look, I'm going to buy a new tractor no matter what. All right, because I'm trying to get my homestead ready for the apocalypse over here. So I eventually do need to get a new tractor because mine can't do certain things that I want it to do. Like I have a subcompact tractor. I can't have a backhoe on there. I need a backhoe. We've never taken an all-time high in the CME chart. Yeah, let's take a look at the CME chart. Let's take a look. Let's clean up our butt cheeks here. Let's clean up the BCs. Yeah, look at this, guys. We're going to go to the CME chart. Shout out to Trader Geo. The The CME chart did take the high, guys. The high on the CME chart was 74,415, and we wicked up to 74,495. So yeah, we did take the high ever so slightly, which means, guys, that this is, objectively speaking, a swing failure pattern with a very bearish divergence. Very bearish. This makes me scared, all right? I was just talking to my wife, Big Butts 28, about this last night. I was saying, Big Butts, you know, I said, what do you think is going to happen with the election? She's like, I think Trump wins, and I think then they're going to crash the economy to try and blame it on him. I was saying, Big Butts, you know, now that you mention that, there is a very bearish div on the Bitcoin CME chart. And also, I said, Big Butts, have you looked at ES lately? Have you looked at the S&P 500 lately? I said, Big Butts, would you look at this? You know, we made a new all-time high, and we got a very bearish confirmed divergence with money flow coming down, right? We've got that upside-down, uneven butt cheek pattern on the 3-day S&P. It almost looks like, and she said, uh-oh, does that mean, she said that means either Kamala's going to win or Trump's going to win, and then they're going to try something to make him look bad, you know? I said, Big Butts, you are a woman of true... You have the best conspiracy theories, man. I know you're not a man, Big Butts, but man, oh man. I like the way you think, girl. That's why I married you. You know, and look at this. Look at this, too. Over time. Right? It's quite interesting. It's interesting. I'm just saying, you know. Just saying. All right, here we go, baby. Bitcoin is testing our level. Come on, Bitcoin. Can you pump? I think she can get a little bit of a pump here, guys. Shout out to Divine Hood. Divine Hood says that Big Butts 28 is right. If Trump wins, they will start war with I walked really fast to the point where I was running. You think that's really fast, end of days? That if Trump wins, they will start war with I walked so fast that I was running? I don't know, man. We'll have to see. We're squeezing 26 million short, says Rick. Yeah, right. Shouldn't have taken profit. I had to take profit. I had to take profit here, guys, you know. But let's see. Let's check out the order flow. Here we go. Our 26 million shorts. Yes. Yes, we're starting to squeeze. Some of them are already under the water. Some of them are already under the water. Ladies and gentlemen, now we are German Tino from Traders Reality. Yeah. Yo, 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 ladies and gentlemen. What's the market maker going to do? The retail traders are building their short trades. I don't even sound German anymore. I just got a good notification from BingX. U.S. election day, market may face... ... Vote for the candidate you think will win and share up to $10,000 prizes on BingX. This election is going to melt faces. All right, faces will melt. BB should stream in the Discord with that kind of knowledge. I know, right? I keep telling BB, you got to start trading, girl. You know? My German is good? Oh, thanks, you know. Doesn't sound like Tino, sounds like Arnold. Yeah, we are here to get the Bitcoin pump, baby. Hasta la vista, baby. Isn't Tino British? Yeah, but we did a German Tino, alright? Here we go, baby. We're about to pump up to our 786. If we reclaim 69.8, we're gonna pump to our 786. Let's remove all this stuff just to clear out some of the noise here. Just to clear out some of the noise here. Shout out to Marcus. Hello from Germany. Trump make America great again. Sorry if I disrespect you with my accent. Yeah, Big Butts 28 is gonna have to start streaming soon, right? Does Big Butts 28 know a lot about crypto? I try to talk this stuff with my girl and she just nods and says, oh, totally, babe, and wow, so crazy, in a different order every time, ha ha ha. Nah, Big Butts 28 doesn't know anything about crypto besides. I mean, she knows some things about crypto, but she's not she knows probably as much about crypto as I do. And she knows very little about trading. All right, so she knows about crypto, but she doesn't know about trading. But I know she would be a good trader because she's so dang meticulous about stuff. She would definitely be a good trader. But she doesn't have time to trade. Like, you know, she homeschools the kids. She keeps the house in order. What a great wife, you know? I come downstairs from a hard day of screaming into a plunger. I got a hot meal on the table. You know, and she's done all this wonderful stuff. Like, Big Butts 28, what a great mother, what a great wife you are. I'm so blessed to have you. My German accent needs some work. More bratwursts. Well, I hope they're kosher bratwursts, J-Boy Bullish. Does she own a Bitcoin? I mean, we share everything, you know? We share everything. I'm super non-red pilled, man. I'm non-red pilled. We share everything, me and my wife. We're one. We don't have separate crypto accounts. Actually, we do have separate crypto accounts, but we consider them all our crypto accounts. She actually, believe it or not, in her crypto account, she doesn't have any Bitcoin, but she has a lot of altcoins. She's an altcoin stacker, that Big Butts 28, I'll tell you. All right, she stacks those altcoins. I'm primarily a Bitcoin stacker. Shout out to preparing for war. Okay, I mean, hey, you know, that's the way to go. Honestly, that's the way to go. Why do I homeschool my kids? Because honestly, it seems to me like a very crazy idea to say, you know what? I have this kid. I love this kid, my own progeny. So you know what I'll do? I'll send them away from my authority and my influence for the majority of their waking hours during the most impressionable years of their life, where they'll learn something that was designed by the government, and their worldview will be shaped by other kids and the information that the government wants them to know. That seems kind of foolish to me. Honestly, it seems kind of stupid to me. It actually seems crazy to me. It literally, the more I think about it, the more it boggles my mind that so many people want to send their kids to an institution where they're fed state-created propaganda, where the parents literally have very, very little, if any, influence over the kids and their developing worldview as they are in the most impressionable years of their life. That seems crazy to me. Absolutely crazy to me. That's one of the main reasons why I homeschool my kids. All right. You don't want your kids to be in the real world and socialize? Oh, they're in the real world and they socialize. Like, what makes people think that school is where kids learn to socialize? So you want your kids to learn how to socialize from other immature kids? Or would you rather be in control of the social environments that your kids are involved with, where they can learn how to socialize from people who are more mature than them, and people who have more wisdom than them, and people that share the same values that you want your kids to learn in life, right? You know, public school in the United States is a very new thing. It's a very new thing. All right, shout out to Michael Harris. Jay, what I was trying to say is that we've never taken the all-time high in the CME, and not on all chart. Oh, thank you so much, Michael Harris. Thank you for the super chat. Yeah, I mean, look. That's true. We've never done it. So, but it is a scary chart, you know? It is a scary chart. Is my wife watching the live stream? Probably not, Kevin. Probably not. Probably not. All right, Crypto Mac says, homeschool all three of my kids. They're already ahead of the game. Smart as HE double hockey sticks. Yeah, I mean, when you have the time to actually focus on your kid and guide them in the way that they're like, the way they like to learn and are good at learning, they're way better off. I think about going to school. I mean, what a waste of 12 years in general. Like the first 6 grades, from first grade to 6th grade, you pretty much learn the same thing. read, write, and basic math. It should not take 6 years to read, write, and basic math. All right? And you also learn some BS like social studies history, which is like BS, some weird, like superficial, probably not even true stuff, right? It shouldn't take 6 years for that, right? Then once you're in high school, you should be learning the things you're interested in so you can start thinking about what you actually want to do in life to make money. But ironically for myself, as somebody who did go to public school, it was a complete waste of time in every way, shape, or form. I should have dropped out after 7th grade. If I had somebody to guide me in the way that I should go, I should have dropped out after 7th grade and started learning things that really interested me so that I could like do things in my life that would benefit me and be able to make me money. But you know, I didn't even graduate from high school. I made it so far. I made it all the way to 12th grade and I never got my diploma. But I don't even regret it at all. In fact, I like the fact that I don't have a high school diploma. I do not attribute an iota of my success to school. Well, obviously, the fact that I know how to read and write and do basic math has helped me a lot. But other than that, Markets Mike, no. Absolutely not. Everything else I've ever done in my life was something that I didn't learn at all about in school. So, everything I've ever done in life to make money, school did not offer me a single thing to help me in that aspect. How is the mom going to pay her slave taxes to the government if she's not working? Right, exactly. Yeah, it's a sad situation. But, you know, hey, look, my wife, ironically, when I met her, she was a teacher. And she was going to Columbia University. So, you know, she's an Ivy League graduate and a teacher when I met her. So, we have a very diverse background. So, you know, I stole her away by pretending to be an intellectual. You know, I knew she was going to an Ivy League school, so you know what I did? Hello there, Big Butts 28. Oh, yes, I just finished reading a smashing new book. Yes, oh, of course. Yes, I'm very cultured. Of course, yes. Oh, do I drink Earl Grey tea? Absolutely, I love to drink Earl Grey tea. Pumpkin spice lattes? Of course. You know, I know what you white women like. You upper class white women. She wasn't really upper class, but she did go to an Ivy League school. Do I want my kids to go to college? Look, I mean, if they want to go to college for something good, then go for it, is how I look at it. But for most people, I think college is unnecessary. Or it's a liability for most people. Because for most people, when they're 18 years old and they go to college, they're probably not going to be doing anything that's going to help them in life. They're probably going to be getting drunk, doing drugs, partying, and they're probably going to get into a lot of debt, and their degree is probably going to be worthless for them. They're probably not going to be able to get a good job with it. They were probably better off doing something else. And most of those people that go to college don't even know what they want to do. That's another thing. If you have a clear career path and you know, I need to get this degree because I want to do this and I need this degree to do it, then go for it. But if you're like the majority of kids where it's 12th grade and you're like, what do you want to do for the rest of your life? And you're like, I don't know. They have to force something. Then no, it's not worth it. It's not worth it. Now, I own a business. I hire people. I pay people. Do you think I give a crap if they have a college degree? No. I care if they can do what I want them to do. I don't care if they have a degree. I don't care at all. I don't care if they graduated high school. I don't even care if they never went to school, period. If they failed out of first grade. If they can do what I need them to do, I'm going to pay them for it. And if they do a good job, I'm going to pay them what they deserve. All right? Oh, shout out to Aaron G. His eldest daughter's studying to be a midwife. Yeah, now that's something that's important. You know, we need midwives around these parts. We need midwives around these parts. All right, man. Okay, so guys, Bitcoin is officially squeezing 26 million shorts right now. Would you look at this? I feel in my bones we're really about to pump. We are about to pump. All right, that means the short trade is going to get stopped out with a $2,000 profit. That means the long trade is going to stay open. That means we're about to pump. Bitcoin's about to pump, baby. Yeah, if your son's studying to be a doctor, then yeah, you got to go to college for it. Right? That's what I said. If you have a clear career path and you know what you want to do and you know why you're going to college, then it's worth it. But if most people, like, there was so much pressure to go to college when I was in high school, there was so much pressure. All of a sudden, junior year, everybody's worried about what am I going to go to college for? And I'm like, I don't know what I want to go to college for. They asked me, what am I going to go to school for? I said, janitorial arts. Because I didn't know. I figured I was going to be a janitor because I wasn't going to college. I had no idea what I wanted to do. I still don't know what I want to do. If somebody came to me right now and said, Jason, you got to go to college. What do you want to do? I'd be like, I don't know. I don't know. I have no idea what I want to do when I grow up. I have no idea. Where can you send me a private message? Here, I'll give you an email. I'll post an email in the chat here. You can send me a message there, all right? All right, here we go. I feel like we're about to get a squeeze. What about a trans non-binary degree? I mean, look, I went to college. You know, I got my degree in trans non-carbon binary emission gender studies. $300,000 in debt. Bloated in the face. Pink hair. Handlebar mustache. Mascara. Couldn't get a job. No one would hire me, even though I had my degree in trans non-carbon binary emission gender studies. But, look, I sure did know a lot about intersectionality after getting that degree, which is how I ended up getting into trading, because if you're looking for the good trading levels, you need intersectionality, where all these things intersect. Like, for example, the long trade we gave in the Casper crew yesterday, lots of intersectionality. POC of the range, naked daily, naked weekly, naked monthly, 786. So much intersectionality here, how could we not trade the level, which we're currently in right now, baby? All right, here we go, baby. Let's see what happens. How long have we been streaming for? An hour and a half. All right, guys, I'm going to head out, man. I love you guys. May God bless you all in Jesus' name. May the Lord bless you and protect you. May he reveal himself to each one of you. I truly, from the bottom of my heart, I pray the Lord bless each one of you. Reveal himself more and more to each one of you. In Jesus' name. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.